Clifford's puppy days. Puppy love. Before Clifford was a big red dog, he was a small red puppy. He lived with Emily Elizabeth and her family in an apartment in the city. Everyone loved Clifford. They were always telling him so. "I love you," said Emily Elizabeth when she tickled Clifford's tummy. "I love you," said Mrs. Howard when Clifford climbed up in her lap.
"Yes, I love you too,"
Mr. Howard told Clifford when the puppy greeted him at the door. Clifford didn't know what the word love meant exactly. He liked the way his family's voices sounded when they said it, though. Clifford's friends talked about love, too. "I love it when we play," said Clifford's friend Jorge. The dachshund's tail wagged with happiness. "We love coming to visit," said Flo. "You're lots of fun." "And you're it," Zoe added. She raced down the hall while Clifford tried to tag her. "I love it when we eat together," Daffodil said. "It's nice to have a friend to keep me company." "We love talking to you, Clifford," said the youngest mouse in the Skadarsky family. "You're a good listener." Clifford was confused. Love seemed to mean an awful lot of things. Maybe Norval could explain it. "What is love?" said Norval. "That's easy. It's when someone gives you a bowl full of your favorite birdseed." Clifford was more confused than ever. He didn't even like birdseed. One summer night, Emily, Elizabeth, and Clifford sat on the steps sharing an ice cream cone. The sunset was pretty and pink. The breeze was nice and warm. "I love you, Clifford," said Emily Elizabeth as she scratched him behind the ears. Suddenly, Clifford understood. Love was the warm, happy feeling you got when you were with someone you cared about. Clifford sighed with contentment. "I love you too, Emily Elizabeth," he thought. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Clifford stories, check out my Clifford playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it. I love you all, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.